Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2019 Dodge Charger RT, stock number E1868P. 13,000 miles on this Charger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, pitch black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. This RT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Performance control, as well as performance pages, giving you information about the vehicle. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box. And home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Charger is a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 370 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.